Mistakes in financial data can lead to costly errors and compliance risks. D365 ensures data integrity with built-in validation rules that catch errors before they happen, so you can trust your numbers. Plus, with a detailed audit trail, every transaction is tracked, showing who made changes and when, keeping your records transparent and secure. Let's start by opening the General Journal Processing Workspace, where you can manage unposted journal entries. Click the My Not Posted tile to open your unposted journals. Let's start by opening the General Journal Processing Workspace, where you can manage unposted journal entries. Click on this journal to open the journal lines. Now, let's enter a debit amount for a journal line and attempt to post it. We'll enter $1,500 in the debit field for the second journal line and click on Post at the top of the page to post it. D365 automatically checks that all debits and credits balance before posting. This built-in validation prevents incomplete or inaccurate financial entries. D365 displays an error message highlighted in red. Select Message Details to view details. As you can see, the error message says that the journal is not in balance and cannot be posted. By catching errors before they're posted, D365 helps prevent financial discrepancies and ensures accurate reporting. Now, let's see what happens when we enter the wrong type of data. Click in the debit field for the second journal line. I'm going to type in text instead of a number in the debit field. Error, invalid data type. Just as with the previous example, you'll see an error message as D365 also corrects data types to maintain data integrity, preventing entry mistakes before they cause issues. D365 also ensures data accuracy when using Excel for journal entry. Let's see it in action. Click on General Journal Line Entry to open the General Journal Line Excel template. Click on Download. Click on Edit a Copy to edit the numbers in the template. Even in Excel, D365 applies validation rules, ensuring only valid data can be entered. This keeps your financial data clean, no matter where you work. Now that we've fixed the errors, let's post the journal and track its history. Click on Post to post the journal. Click on Voucher for the posted journal. Every transaction is recorded, and now we can access its full audit history. Now we'll click on Audit Trail. The audit trail logs every change, who made it, when, and why, helping ensure compliance and accountability. With D365 Finance and Operations, you can trust your financial data, reduce errors, and maintain compliance, so you can focus on making informed business decisions. Interested in learning more about how D365 Finance and Operations can help you reduce errors, stay compliant, and keep your financial data audit ready? Speak with one of our experts at Velosio.